Welcome to Maths class. Today let us have chapter 6, Venn diagrams. What are these Venn diagrams? How to represent the sets by Venn diagram, or how to know from the Venn diagram how to represent the sets? You are going to learn now. First of all, let me tell you, pictures make the concept clear, understand better. So the mathematician John Venn, he introduced pictures, or he did pictorial representation for the sets, and those figures are known as Venn diagrams. In his name, as his name is John Venn, the figures are said to be Venn diagrams. And let me explain you. If the Venn diagram is given to you, how to find the sets? Or if sets are given to you, how to show the sets in Venn diagram? Let us learn. And John Venn, a mathematician, he introduced the Venn diagrams. Okay? What he did is, he used rectangles for the universal set. Rectangle is universal set, and as it is universal, right top corner, universal set he writes. And the circles or ovals are represented for the sets. Let me name this circle as set A, and let me name this circle as set B. Okay, this rectangle represents universal set, and these two are set A and set B. First, let me explain it. Let us see. Suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 are like this. Simply I have written 1 to 15 everywhere. Some inside A, some inside B, some outside A and B and all. And how to read out the sets from this Venn diagram? Let me explain you. First, let me name the set A. That means this is set A. And in this set A, what are the elements in set A? Let us write. In this set A we have 1, 2 also, you see 2 and 6 are in both A and B. So 2 is in A also. 1, 2. Let us write in order. 6, 8, 9, 10, 15. And we know that in a set, the elements are enclosed by curly brackets. Okay. Now let us write set B. In set B, we have 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 13. Okay. Now let us represent A union B. You know that A union B means the elements which are present either in A or in B or in both. So every element of A and B will be A union B. So we can have 1, and in order let us write 2, 1, 2, 3, here 4, 5, no, in order 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is not there, 13, 14 is not there, 15. So A union B is all these. What are there in A or in B or in both. Now let us write how to find A intersection B from the Venn diagram. A intersection B means the elements which are common in both the sets. So they are 2, 6. Okay. Both the sets common. This is the common space. Okay. Now let us find how to write set A dash. That means complement of set A. In the universal set, 1 to 15 numbers are there. A dash means leaving the elements of A, remaining elements we have to write. Okay. So 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is outside A. So 3, 4, 5, 6 is inside A. So 6 won't come. 7, 8 is inside, 9, 10, no. 11 is outside or A. 12 is also outside A. 13 is outside A. 14, 15 is A. So these are the elements of set A dash, that is complement of A. Similarly, B dash means leaving the elements of B, remaining elements we have to write. Now let me explain you how to find set A union B whole dash. A union B means all the elements which are there in A and B. So leaving the elements of A or in B, remaining elements are A union B whole dash. That is 1, 2, 3 inside, 4, 5. 4 is not neither in A nor in B. 5 is neither in A nor in B. Okay. Then comes 12 and 14. So only these elements are A union B whole dash. The elements which are in the universal but not in A union B. Okay. Now let me find one more, that is how to find A minus B. That is difference of two sets A and B. A minus B means the elements which are in A but not in B. Now only we saw in A 1, 2, 6, 8, 9, 10, 15 are there. But 2, 6 are in B also. So in A minus B, 2, 6, leaving 2, 6 from A, remaining elements we have to write. That is 1, 8, 9, 10, 15. So this is how, if the Venn diagram is given to you, you have to represent the sets. Suppose set will be given to you, you can represent also the Venn diagram in the same way. You will draw the rectangle for universal, for the set circles or ovals. Then if suppose A will be given this, within A you will write, B is given, you will see what are common. First the common elements you will write. Like that you have to draw the figure. By practice you will be able to do in an easy way. Okay? Thank you.